Hello everyone, my name is Deepak. Welcome to Genesis Training. As you can see on the screen, there is Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Mock Test. Now, what does that mean? We from Genesis Training are helping out some of the people who are writing this exam, and we are taking some of the topics from which are asked in Ssc Cgl. So here I am to explain you one of the topics, and the topic name is series. Okay. So before we start, let's see what are different kinds of series. Okay. So there are different kinds of series. The first series will be, the first one being number series, the second one being letter series. There are varieties of series. Sometimes people use one more time kind of series, that is continuous series. Continuous series. Sometimes we have pattern series. Okay, so we have varieties of series. Now, if you talk about number series, so first few questions are based on number series. So number series. Now, if I give an example, simple example, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. What is the next number? This is one kind of question answer number series. What number should replace the question mark? Very, very simple question. Now, if you can see 2, 4, 8, 16. Simple example is, here the difference is, or in simple terms, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, and the answer should be 16 into 2, that is 32. One method. Other method, 1 is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 is nothing but 2 power 1, next is 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, next should be 2 power 5, that is nothing but 32. Okay, so number series has a very different way of solving questions, but the answer remains the same. There are many different solutions, but the final answer is the same. So we'll start solving number series questions. In that, I'll explain you different methods which are used in that question. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, question number 1. 10, 100, 200, 310, dash. So 10, 100, 200, 310, dash. Okay. Let's see the difference first. What is the difference here? The difference is 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. The difference. Okay. Calculating the difference. I write it as diff. We are calculating the difference. What is the next difference? The next difference is 100. Correct? 200 minus 100 is 100. Next difference is 110. 310 minus 200 is 110. Now see, there is a pattern followed. 90, 100, 110. So next should be 120. Correct? The difference should be 120. So here it should be added. So what is 310 plus 120? It is nothing but 430. The answer should be 430. Okay, I'll explain again. Take the difference. The difference is 90 here, 100 here, next is 110, and the last should be 120 because there's a pattern followed. 90, 100, 110, next should be 120. So 310 plus 120 is 430. So that is option D. Mark option D and go for next question. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 says 2, 3, 10, 29, 66. I'll write it again. 2, 3, 10, 29 and 66. Always remember, first check the differences. What is the difference? Here the difference is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Here the difference is 7. Here the difference is 19. And the last difference, what is 66 minus 29? 66 minus 29, it is nothing but 37. Correct? Now, what's the difference here? The difference here is 6. The difference here is 12. The difference here is 18. Correct? We need next term. What is the next term? So, here also we have to find the next term. Okay? I'll use some other color now. What's the difference here? 6 again. Again here, difference is 6. Okay? Triple difference here. One difference here, one difference here. I'm taking one more difference here. Now, next difference should be 6. So what should be here? It should be 24. Correct. So if it is 24, we need to add 37 and 24 to get a number here. We should get a difference of 24. So there should be a number bigger than this, and we subtract with 34, we get a difference of 24. So 37 plus 24, how much is it? It is 61. Correct? 61. Next, 37, we got 61 here. 61 minus 37 is 24. That is done. Okay. At last, there should be a difference of 61, so we need to add. So if we add 66 and 61, what do you get? 127. 127 is the answer. Okay. Triple difference here. What do they do is 127, see, 2, 3, difference is 1. 3 and 10, difference is 7. 10 and 29, difference is 19. 29 and 66, difference is 37. Correct. Now we need to get same difference followed. 6, 12, 18, 24 are multiples of 6. If you take one difference again, you will get the same differences. So to get difference, there should be a bigger number. So we add it. That is, we got the difference is 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. We need to get difference of 6, correct? So 18 minus 24 only gives us difference of 6. So take 6 here. So that is, the difference is 6. 24 we added 37, we get 61. 61 we added 66, we get a number. When you take a difference, you get 61. Again you take a difference, you get 24. You take a difference, you get 6. The answer is 127. Okay, that is mark option C and go for next question. Okay, next one. Question number 3. Question number 3. 1, 0, 3, 2, 5, 6 and dash. Okay. If you see the pattern very carefully here, first thing, remember to take the difference. Second thing, remember to check the alternative numbers. If you see the alternative numbers here, 1, 3, 5. If you see the other side, it is 0, 2 and 6. Correct. So what has happened here is, from 1 to 3, what is added? Plus 2 is added. 3 to 5, what is added? Plus 2 is added. Above what it is done? They have added plus 2 first, they have added plus 4. We need to find out what is from here to here. So, what is it? Plus 2 is added here, plus 2 is added here, even here there should be plus 2. Okay, there should be plus 2. So, what is 5 plus 2? So, 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. The answer is 7. Okay. One more kind of question which is based on alternative series. Okay. Alternative series. So, what they have done is alternatively they have taken the numbers 1, 3, 5 and 7. Here it is 2 plus 0 plus 2, 2 plus 4, next term might be 6 plus 8. Okay, or 6 plus 6, whatever. But that is not what is asked. They have asked this part. So, in this plus 2 is added, plus 2 is added, next one should be plus 2. So, the answer is option D, that is 7. Okay, question number 4. What does question number 4 say? 1, 4, 3, 8, comma, 1, 4, 2, 9, comma, 1, 4, 1, 7, comma, 1, 4, 0, 2 and next is dash. If you see the pattern carefully, the value is decreasing. Correct? The value is decreasing. Now, let's check the difference. What's the difference here? The difference here is 9. Correct? What's the next difference? The next difference is 12. So next difference, the next difference is 15. Now from this, what can you do? Second difference, that is difference between 9 and 12, it is 3. Difference between 15 and 12, that is 3. Even next one, there should be a difference of 3. If this should be 3, what should be here? It should be 18. Correct? So what we need to do is, we need to subtract 18 from 1042. So what is 1402, sorry, 1402 minus 18, that is nothing but 1384. 1384. So answer is 1384. Okay, 1384. That is option B. Mark and go for next question. Next question, that is question number 5. What does question number 5 say? 18, 24, 21, 27, 30. Sorry, there is a question mark here. Comma 30 and 27. This is the question asked. Okay. If you see the pattern very seriously or little carefully, check the alternative patterns here. 18 and 21. What's the difference? 3. There should be some difference of 3 here. So from there is a difference of 3. If you see above, here the difference is 3. Next from 27 to 30, the difference is 3. Okay, so here there should be a difference of 3. What's it? 21 and with what you will get a difference of 3? That is 21 plus 3, that is 24. Okay, how is that the answer? 18, 24, 21, 27, 24. This is our answer. I've written it in large size, and 27. See here, the difference is 3. The difference is 3. Plus 3 added everywhere. Okay, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is added everywhere. 24 plus 3 is 27. Even here, 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. Okay, the answer is, what's the answer? Answer is 24. Okay, that is option C, 24. Question number 6. What does question number 6 say? 25, 50, 30, 45, 35 and 40, and last one is question mark. Again, check for the alternative series. 25 to 30, what they have done? They have added 5. 30 to 35, what they have done? They have added 5. Okay, what is happening above? They are 50 and 45 minus 5. 45 to 40 minus 5 again. So what we need? We need this part, alternative part. So what should be here? It should be plus 5. So what is 35 plus 5? That is nothing but 40. The answer is 40. Answer is 40. That is option C. Okay. Plus 5 is plus 5 plus 5. Above it is minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. But we need only plus 5. 35 plus 5 is 40. Yeah. Next one. Question number 7. So what is question number 7? 2460 3570 4680 comma dash. Okay. This is one kind of question which they ask in number series. See the last 2 digits. You have 60, you have 70, you have 80. So last 2 digits will be 60, 70, 80. Next will be 90. So last 2 digits done. Okay. So since you find out 90, we know that the answer should be 5790 because that is the only option which has 90 at the last 2 digits. 60, 70, 80, and here it is 90. So only option which it is ending with 90 is option D. We'll check how can we get 57. How did they get 57 is, they have taken 24 plus 11. What is that? It is 35, which is this part. Next 35 plus 11, that is 46. See, 35 is here, 46 is here. So last one should be 46 plus 11, that is 57. That should go to the answer. So answer should be 5790. That is option D. Okay. Mark option D and go for next one. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. So what does question number 8 say? 5760 comma 960 comma dash comma 48 comma 16 and 8. Okay. Remember one thing here, if you see the pattern very carefully, you had a 4-digit number which has become a single-digit number. Okay, that means there has been something called as division happening here. Because from huge number it has become a small number here. So there is something division. Now from 16 to 8, how do they get that? 16 divided by 2, we get 8. 48 divided by 3, we get 16. Correct? So that means there is some pattern followed here. So this should be divided by 4. We don't know what's the value, we calculate. This should be divided by 5. This should be divided by 6. 5760 divided by 6 is nothing but 960. Okay? 960. So 960 divided by 5. How much is 960 divided by 5? 1 times, 4 gets carried, 9 times, 1 gets carried, and 2 times. Okay. So 192 should be the answer. We just cross verify. 192 divided by 4 is nothing but 48. So 192 is correct. So here remember, when the number from a huge number if it is decreasing to a small number, that means there is something called as division happening. So it is divided by 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. So the answer is 192. 192. That is option B. Mark it and go for next question. Question number 9. What is question number 9? 3, 15, 35, 63. The values are increasing. Let's check the difference. So what's the difference? Here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 20. Here the difference is 28. What is next difference here? 8 is the difference. Again here the difference is 8. So even last term there should be a difference of 8. So if it is 8, here it should be added with 8, correct? So it should be 36. The answer should be 63 plus 36. That is nothing but 99. The answer is 99. I'll explain again. 3, 15, 35, 63. The values are increasing, correct? So we take first difference and write it as 1. The difference is 12, 20, 28. Okay, which is in black. If you take difference, second difference, you get difference of 8 and 8. Next should be 8. If there should be a difference of 8 here, 28 and with some difference because the values are increasing. 12, 20, 28. Next difference should be plus 8 added. Correct? Here everything is plus 12, plus 20, plus 28, plus 8, plus 8, and even it should be plus 8. So 28 plus 8 is 36. So 63 plus 36 will be 99. So the answer is 99. That is option C. Okay, that's option C. We'll move on to the next one. Number 10, the explanation. 22, 24, 28, question mark, 52 and 84. What is the difference here? The difference is 2, the difference here is 4, and last here difference is 32. Now, if it was normally 2, 4, 6, 8, it would have been 10. Correct? If the difference was 2, 4, 6, 8 and last would have been 10. But that is not the case. Correct? That is not the case here. What is the difference? It is 2, 4, 32. What is the relation between 2, 4 and 32? It is nothing but 2 power 1, 2 square. Next difference should be 2 power 3. From here the difference should be 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? It is 16. What is 2 power 3? What is 2 power 3? It is nothing but 8. There should be a difference of 8. Then it is 32. This is 2 power 5. So, plus 2 is added, plus 4 is added. 28 plus 8. What is 28 plus 8? 28 plus 8 is nothing but 36. 36 plus 16 is nothing but 52. 52 plus 32 is nothing but 84. So, here the difference is power of 2. 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So, the answer is 32. That is answer is 36. That is option B. 36 is the answer. Okay. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Powers of 2 are the differences. Yeah. Next one. Question number 10. 3, 28, 4, 65, 5, 126, 6 and dash. If you find out first pattern here, first pattern is very simple. 3, 4 alternative patterns. 4, 5 and 6. We actually need to find out what is from 28 to 65, from 65 to 126, 126 to what is next. That is what we need to find out, correct? So, if you see these numbers, that is 28, 65 and 126. What is one thing common here is 28 is very closer to some cube, which is a cube 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 3 cube is 27 plus 1 gives us 28. What is 65? 65 is closer to one more cube, that is 4 cube. What is 4 cube? 64 plus 1. So next one, 126 is closer to which cube? 5 cube. So 5 cube is 125 plus 1. So what should be the answer? The answer should be 6 cube plus 1. What is 6 cube? 216 plus 1 will be equal to 217. So the answer is 217. Okay, answer is 217. That is option C. Okay, what I have done here is first alternative patterns you have 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is not necessary because you have to find out next term. Next alternative term starts from 28, 65, 126 and dash. So all these numbers given are closer to some perfect cubes. So they have perfect cube plus 1, perfect cube plus 1, perfect cube plus 1. So answer is 6 cube plus 1, that is 217. Option C. Clear? Question number 12. Question number 12 says 255, 366, 479, 684, dash. Okay. Let's take what's the difference first. What's the difference here? The difference here is nothing but everything is increased by 1, 1, 1. It is plus 1, 1, 1. What's the next difference? We'll calculate if you want. 479, 366. What's the difference here? 3, 1 and 1. So it is plus 1, 1, 3. Next, 684, 479. What's the difference? Here difference is 84. This is 205. The difference is plus 205. Okay. What is the next step? Oh, now here, what is the difference here? Plus 2 is the difference, correct? Here plus 2 is the difference. That means from here to here, even there should be plus 2 difference. What is 205 plus 2? That is plus 207. Okay. So what we need to do here is we need to add 207 to 684. So 684 plus 207. How much is it? 891. Okay. The answer is 891. 891. Why? First two terms, the difference is 2, and last two terms, the difference should be also 2. Okay, that is one method. The second method is, the value here is increasing. 255, 366, 479, 684, the value is increasing. If you see the options, whichever option which is increasing is only option that is 891. 124, 125 can't come here because the value should be more than 684. Only value which is more than 684 is 891. That's how we go with options. Because the value here is increasing order. Okay. So answer is option A. Yeah. Next question. 330, 623, 933 and 1243. If you see 3, 6, 9 and 12, everything is added with something with 300. So let's see what is it added with. 623 minus 313. How much is it? 310. So take here plus 310 is added. Let's take the next number. 933 minus 623. Again here 310 is added. 310 is added. So last even here plus 310 is added. So next pattern also we need to add plus 310. So what is 1, 2, 4, 3 plus 310? It is nothing but 3, 5, 5 and 1. So answer is 1, 5, 5, 3. 1, 5, 5, 3. Okay. So answer is 1, 5, 5, 3. That is option C. That is one method. Or else the second method is, first digit here is 3. Second digit is 6, 9, 12. Next should be 15. Correct? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Only option with 15 is option C. Option C. Rest all options are not 15. Okay? That's how we go with options. Yeah. Next one. 9, 7, 5, 8, 64, 7, 53, 6, 42. Dash. See here, the values are decreasing. Why? How it is decreasing? You have 9 here, it became 8, 7, 6. Next should be 5. Correct? Next one. 7, this part, 6, 5, 4. Next should be 3. Correct? Next one, this part, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last should be 1. Okay? 5, 31 is the answer. Very simple question. That is one method. Or else you can similar method written in different form. I tell you that method also. 642, dash. What they have done here is, it is subtracted by 1, 1 and 1. 975 minus 111 is 864. 864 minus 111 is 753. 753 minus 111 is 642. So 642 minus 1 is 531. So that's your answer. Two methods, similar methods, written in a different form. Okay, that's it. Option C. Mark it and go for next question. Okay, next question. Question number 15. So 0, 4, 18, 48, comma, question mark, and 180. Let's calculate the difference first. What's the difference here? The difference is less 4. Correct? Next difference is less 14. What's the next difference? It is plus 30. Here what's the difference? Here the difference is 10. The difference is 16. Okay, what is the common difference? It is 6. So everything is plus every time it is added because the values are increasing. So even next difference should be plus 6. Correct? So what is 16 plus 6? It is plus 22. So what is 30 plus 22? 30 plus 22 is 52. So we need to add 48 with 52. How much will we get? We will get 100. Okay, so the question mark is 100. What is our series? The series is 0, 4, 18, 48. Question mark is 100. Last part is 180. Okay, so here it is triple difference. This is the first difference, second difference, and this is the third difference. Triple difference of 6, 6. Next we are adding everything, so everything gets added up. So 48 plus 52, answer is 100. Clear? That is option D. Mark option D and go for next one. Let's move on to next one. The next one is 7, 9, 13, 21, 37, comma, dash. Okay. So here, what is the difference here? The difference here is 2 the difference here is 4, the difference here is 8, the difference here is 16. That is plus 2 is added, plus 4 is added, plus 8 is added, plus 16 is added. So what is this? This is nothing but 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. Next one should be plus 32. Why plus 32? It is 2 power 5. So what is 37 plus 32? Is nothing but 69. That is option C. Mark option C and go for next one. Clear? Let's solve the next question. That is question number 17. So question number 17 says 2, 5, 7, 12, 19, 31, dash and 81. Very simple kind of question. The question here is first term and second term is added together, third term. That is 2 plus 5 is 7. Second term and third term is added together, fourth term. That is 5 plus 7 equal to 12. Next is 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. Then we have 12 plus 19 is equal to 31. Now the answer, how do we get the answer? It is 19 plus 31, that is equal to 50. Okay, so this 7 is here, this 12 is here, 19 is here, 31 is here. Last answer will be 50. That is the answer is 50. Answer is 50. That is option C. Here, next one. Next question, question number 18. It says 4, 18, 48, 100, dash. Okay. So difference, let's check the difference first. The difference here is plus 14. The difference here is plus 30. The difference here is plus 52. Correct? What's the next difference? Left difference is 6 here. 16 here, sorry. 16 is the difference. Next difference is 22. What is the common difference? It is 6. So even next one should have a common difference of 6. Correct? It should be plus 6. Everything is added. Everything is plus. So plus 6. 22 plus 6 will be 28. So plus 28. So we need to add plus 28 to 52. How much will be that? It will be plus 80. So what should be the final answer? Final answer will be 100 plus this 80. Okay, this 80 we got it from here. That is nothing but 180. Okay, 180 is the answer. So first difference, second difference, third common differences. Okay, so answer is 180. That is option B. Option B. Okay. Save and go for next one. Next question. Question number 19. 1, 5, 25, 125. You have to fill in 3 places. Correct? So by looks of it only you might have got to know the answer. You might have understood what is the method followed here. This is nothing but 5 power 0. Next is 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 cube. Okay. Next what you have to find out? We have to find out 5 power 4. You have to find out 5 power 5 and 5 power 6. What is 5 power 4? 5 power 4 is nothing but 25 square. Correct? 5 square the whole square. 5 power 4. 25 square is 625. So 625 is there in only option C and option D. So option A and option B are not possible. Option C or option D. Now what is 5 power 5? 5 power 5 is nothing but 625 into 5. Correct? No. 5 power 4 into 5. What is 5 power 4? 625. 625 into 5 is nothing but 3125. 3125. That is option D. This is also not possible because this is 3225. Correct? So only answer possible is option D. Option D. Clear? We go on to next one. Next question, question number 20. What does question number 20 say? Question number 20 says 3, 8, 18, 35, question mark, and 98. Correct? Now, what's the difference? The difference is 5, the difference is 10, the difference is 17. Correct? What is the common difference here? 5 plus 5 is added, plus 7 is added. So plus 5 plus 7, next should be plus 9. Correct? No? Plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, so on. So 17 plus 9 is nothing but 26. So plus 26. So we need to add 35 with 26. How much will we get? We get 61. So the question mark is 61. Clear? So first difference and second difference. Second difference is plus 2. If you go further, it is nothing but plus 2 plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so on. Answer is 61. That is option A. Yeah, save and go for next question. Next question. Question number 21. 1, 2, 6, 24, question mark, 7, 20. Very simple, very simple. Why I am telling it is very simple? Because this is nothing but 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, this is 6 factorial. The answer should be 5 factorial. Correct? No? 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 6 factorial is 720. So what is 5 factorial? 5 factorial is nothing but 1. What is 5 factorial? Is 120. 5 factorial is 120. The answer is 120. That is option C. Next question, question number 22. It says 3, 5, 9, 17, question mark. Let's check what is the difference between them. The difference is plus 2, plus 4, plus 8. Okay. Next should be plus 16. Why I am telling it is plus 16? Because this is nothing but 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4 kind of series. So what is 17 plus 16? It is nothing but 33. 17 plus 16, 33. That is option D. Option D. Clear? Next one. Next question, question number 23. Question number 23 says 0, 7, 26, 63 and dash. Correct? So what's the difference here? The difference is 7 plus 7 is added. Next difference, how much is added? 19 is added. Next one, 63 to 26, 37 is added. Next we have to find out what's the difference here? Plus 12. What's the difference here? Plus 18. What's the common difference here? It is 6. Correct? So next it should be plus 6. Correct? It should be plus 6. So plus 6 plus 18 is plus 24. 24 is added to 37. We get plus 61. That means we need to add 61 to 63. We add that, how much will we get? We get 124. The answer is 124. Okay, that is option D. Mark option D and go for next one. Next question, question number 24. Question number 24 is the simplest question of all because 2, 5, 10, 17 and 26. What's the next number? If you see the pattern very carefully, it is plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, it should be plus 11. All are added with odd numbers. Okay. What is 26 plus 11? It is nothing but 37. Simple question. Correct? Just addition of odd numbers. That is option C. Option C. Mark option C. Save and go for next question. Question number 25. Question number 25. The series is 3, 5, 35, 10, 12, 35. For the next two numbers. If you see it carefully, the third term, the sixth term is given just to confuse us. Okay. So what is a simple method to solve this? Here, from here to here, plus 2 is added. After that, what they have done? From here to here, plus 5 is added. Even here, plus 2 is added. So next should be plus 5 added here, and at last it should be plus 2 added. So what is the answer? 12 plus 5, that is 17. And after that, 17 plus 2, that is 19. So the answer is 17 and 19. Plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5. That is the pattern followed. The option answer is option B, that is 17 and 19. Clear? This 35 is just given us for us to confuse. After this 35 will come, because every third term there is 35. So 3, 5, 35, 10, 12, 35, 17, 19, then 35. Okay, that's a pattern followed. Here answer is option B, 17 and 19. Clear? Next one. Next one, question number 26. 325, 259, 204, 160, 127, 105 and dash. Okay, the values are decreasing here. The values are decreasing. So let's see how are they decreasing. Okay, first let's take the difference between 325 and 259. 325 minus 259 is nothing but, if you do a normal method, 31 minus 25 is 66. So difference here is 66. Okay, minus 66 is that. Next, 259 and 204. What is the difference here? 55. So we have subtracted 55. Next, 204 to 160. What's the difference? 204, 160 difference is 44. So the difference is minus 44. Next the difference is minus 33. Next difference is minus 22. We need to find out the last term. So what should be the last difference? It should be minus 11. Alright. What is 105 minus 11? It is nothing but 94. So the answer is 94. That is option A. Option A. Clear? The difference is minus 66, minus 55, 44, 33, 22, and it is 11. That is option A. Save it and go for next question. Next question, question number 27. What does question number 27 say? It says a series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative form the given ones that will complete the series. Okay. So 6 we have, 10 we have, 18, 34, question mark, and 130. Correct. So let's see different ways of solving. One way of solving is take the difference. This plus 4 is the difference here. Plus 8. This is 16. So we already got 4. This is 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. Next should be 2 power 5. That is plus 32. So what is 34 plus 32? That is nothing but 66. 66 is the answer. That is option C. Let's check whether there is any other method. Let's see. So how did they get 10 from 6? 6 plus 4 is 10. Next 10 plus 8. This is how it is done only. So 18 plus 16 is 34. And 34 plus 32 is 66. And 66 plus 64 is 130. Okay. 2 power 2, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. The answer is 66. 66 is the answer. That is option C. That is option C. Clear? Mark the answer. Go for next question. Let's solve question number 28. What does question number 28 say? A series is given with the one term missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Okay. So what is the series? 1, 2, 4, 7, question mark, and 16. So what is added here? Plus 1 is added, plus 2 is added, plus 3 is added. So according to the series, there should be plus 4 added. What is 7 plus 4? 7 plus 4 is nothing but 11. Answer is 11. Okay. Here see, plus 5 is added to complete the series. So answer is option C. That is 11. Very simple series. So that's answer. That is answer as 11. Clear? Next one. Okay, next kind of question is based on letter series. So before solving letter series, let us understand what are there in letter series. Okay, what do we need to know in letter series? So letter series, till now we solved number series questions. Now we'll solve some letter series question. Let's say letter series, we need to know very simple thing, that is A is the first letter of alphabet, B is the second letter, C is the third letter, so on. Z is the 26th letter. But every time we can't write this, correct? So what is the simple method to remember? I'll write you one word. The word is E Jo Ti. Okay, remember this word. It is E Jo Ti. Now what is this E Jo Ti? This is nothing but E is the 5th letter, J is the 10th letter, O is the 15th letter, and T is the 20th letter, and the last one Y is the 25th letter. Now why are we doing this is E done, correct? What happens here is 5th letter is done, 10th letter is done, 15th letter is done, 20th letter is done, 25th letter is done. What happens? To find out in between value, it becomes very simple. Now for example, this is one way of remembering. Okay, so I'll just put it in a box. Remember this E Jo Ti. That is first one. Second one is, we know T is the 20th letter, correct? How can we remember this? We have a lot of T20s. T20, correct? T is the 20th letter. Now W, if you reverse this part, this becomes 3, correct? W is 23rd letter, similar to M. M you reverse like this, it becomes 3, and M is 13th letter, 13 and 23, just reverse the values. Okay, so these things if you remember, it becomes very easy when you solve letter series question. Okay, so if they suddenly ask which position of P is in alphabet, it is 16. If they ask L, it is 12. Understanding? If they ask R, it is 18, because it is 2 letters before T. P, Q, R, S, T. If they ask U, it is 21, because it is after T. Understanding now? So these are the things which you should know when you are solving letter series question. Okay, now let's move on to questions. First question. A, B, C, A, B, C, comma, F, G, H, comma, L, M, and N. Very simple series. Why I am telling it is very simple series is A, B, C. C to F. What's the difference? How much letter is added here? C to F. How many letters are added? C. Which letters are missing in between? Which are letters which are missing in between? C, D, E. Then comes F. So they have added plus 2. When you add plus 2, it becomes F. Then it is continuous. G, H. Now from H, which are the letters which are missing? H, I, J, K. Right? You got L. So from here it is plus 3. When you do plus 3, what do you get? You get L, M and N. See here, first it was plus 2, now it is plus 3, last one should be plus 4, correct? So what is plus 4? It should be plus 4. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Then it should start with plus 4 is done, it should start with S, T and U. The answer is S, T and U. A, B, C continues. Plus 2 becomes F. Then it is plus 3 L. Then it is plus 4. After that it is S. So answer is S, T and U. Answer is option C. S, T and U. Okay. Don't get confused. Last letter plus 2 D, E, C. I'll write it here again. D is missing. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. 2 letters missing, 3 letters missing, 4 letters missing. After all it is S, T and U. Clear? That is the answer for question number 29. Question number 30. Let's move on to question number 30. The question number 30 says W, Y, B, I, K, H, B, D, A. Okay. W, Y, B. We have space here. That's what we have to find out. I, K, H, B, D, A. Now let's see here. I is the 9th letter. I have already told how to remember this. 9th letter. K is the 11th letter. H is 8th letter. What about this? B is 2nd letter. D is 4th letter. And this is 1st letter. So what is the difference here? From here to here. From here to here and from here to here. What's the difference? The difference is minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. So even here there should be a difference of 7. Correct? So this is a pattern series. So series, if one is following minus 7, everything will follow minus 7. So W is 23rd letter. Y is 25th letter and B is 22nd letter. Okay. So what is 23 minus 7? What is 23 minus 7? It is 16. What is 16th letter? It is P. Now you can stop solving here because only option which has P is, that is option C. You can directly take option C as answer. We'll further solve. 25 minus 7 is 18. Which is 18th letter? It is R. 22 minus 7. 22 minus 7 is 15. Which is 15th letter? O. So the answer is P, R and O. Minus 7 everywhere. So minus 7 here, minus 7 here, minus 7 here. Even it is here, minus 7 and minus 7. So that's the answer for question number 30. I hope you have understood. We'll solve the next one. Next question, question number 31. The question says N, O, A, P, Q, B, R, S, C, dash. If you see the last letters, it is A, B, C, and here last letter should be D. Correct? A, B, C, D. Check the option which has last digit as D. Only one option, that is option A, has last digit as D. Okay, so we can easily get the answer from there. We'll still solve it further. Next, O, here N to P. N, M, O is missing. From P to R, Q is missing. R, S should be missing and you should get one more letter. So S should be missing, it should be T. It is like plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. That is T. Correct? N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. That's a pattern for it. Now, what about this? O is 15th letter, Q is 17th letter, S is 19th letter. So plus 2, next should be 21st letter, which is 21st letter is nothing but U. So the answer is T, U and T. Okay, that is option A. That's option A. So solve it here, mark the answer, go for next one. Next question, question number 32. Question number 32 says C, G, K, E, J, P, G, M, U, dash. Okay, so C is this letter in alphabet, it is the third letter. We'll take all the first letters of the pattern given. So C is the third letter, E is the fifth letter, G is the seventh letter. So answer option should be ninth letter, right? Which is the ninth letter? Ninth letter is nothing but I. Next one. G is the seventh letter. J, then we have M. J is the 10th letter and M is the 13th letter. What is the difference? 7, 10, 13. Next should be 16. Correct? Difference of 3 each. Which is the 16th letter in the alphabet? Is nothing but it is P. Okay, we only have option B as having I and P. That is the answer. Let's check the last one also. Okay, last one, that is K, P, U. And what's the answer? Correct. So K is 11th letter, P is 16th letter, U is 21st letter. What's the difference here? The difference here is 5. Difference here is 5. It should be S5. That is 26th letter. Which is the 26th letter? It is nothing but Z. So I, P and Z is the answer for question number 32. Clear? I, P, Z, that is option B. Mark option B and go for next one. Next one, question number 33. Question number 33 is the simplest question. Why I am telling you the simplest is, you have A, G, M, B, H, N, C, I and O. You need to find out what's the answer. A, after that B, after that C, next comes D. You can directly take answer here because only C option is having D in it. So D is the option, C is the answer which has D in it. Let's continue. G, H, I, J, M, N, O, P. So the answer is D, J and P. Continuous series, simple one. That is option C. Mark option C. We'll go for next question. Very simple question. Let's solve next one. That is question number 34. The question number 34 is B, W, E, V. So that we have the first letter is F, the letter is U, G, it is T, next it is H, S, I and R. What's the last term in the series? Okay. So from D to F. So D is fourth letter, this is sixth letter. So plus 2 and plus 2. If you add plus 2, what do you get? H is 8th letter, plus 2 will be 10th letter. 10th letter is nothing but J. W is 23rd letter. This is 21st letter. This is 19th letter. If you see, the value is decreasing. So it is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. You should get 17th letter. Which is the 17th letter? It is Q. Okay. Next, E is 5th letter, 7th letter, 9th letter. So it is plus 2, plus 2 is 11th letter. This is 11th letter, it is K. Here V, 22nd letter, 20th letter, 18th letter, so it is decreasing by minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 will be 16th letter, that is P. So the answer is, what's the answer? J, Q, K and P. The pattern followed is plus 2, plus 2, so plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2. That's the pattern followed, and the option answer is option C. That is there, and that's the solution for question number 34. Next one, question number 35. So we have A, G, M, S, Y, C, I, O, U, A, E, K, Q, W, C, we have question mark. Okay, let's check whether we can get the answer here. A to C, which letter is missing? B is missing. C to E, which letter is missing? D is missing. So E, F should be missing. Next should be G. Correct? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, G done. Now, G is 7th letter, I is 9th letter, K is 11th letter, next should be 13th letter. Correct? 7, 9, 11, 13. Which is 13th letter? I've already told the shortcut M. So which option is having G and M? Only option which is having G and M is option A. All the other options are not having. This has G but not M. So not possible, not possible, not possible. Only possibility is A. This is enough because we need to save a lot of time when we are solving logical reasoning questions, especially in topic called as series. Check the options. If only two options are check the first two alphabets. If it is only there in one option, tick the answer. That's it. Okay. So answer is option A. G, M, S, Y and E. Clear? That is the solution for question number 35. Okay. Let's solve next question. Question number 36. What does question number 36 says? So we have empty space in the beginning itself. Correct? So empty space in the beginning. Then we have D, R, E, Q, G, U, H, T, J, X, K and W. Okay. Let's write it like this. This becomes very easy for us. D. First letter of the thing again is G, D, G and J. D, G and J. Let's take the second letters, that is R, U and X. R, U and X. Next take the third letter, that is E, H and K. E, H and K. And the last letters, that is Q, T and W. Q, T and W. Okay. So we'll change some of the colors here. Q and so now colorful solution to you. Just to identify the letters, what this is what we like. So D is the fourth letter of the alphabet. Right? G is 7th letter and J is 10th letter. R 18th letter, 21st letter, 24th letter. E is 5th letter, this is 8th letter. By seeing this only you would have got the answer. This is 17th letter, 20th letter, 23rd letter. What has happened here is plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. This is 10th letter. J is 10th letter. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, and plus 3. So that means even here there should be plus 3 happening. Yes or no? There should be plus 3 happening. So this should be plus 3, there should be plus 3, plus 3 and plus 3. Correct? So this should be plus 3. From 1 plus 3 you get 4. And here it is 15 plus 3, it is 18. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Similarly here 14 plus 3 is 17. So which is the first letter? Which is 1? 1 is nothing but A. Correct? A is the first letter. From this one we can get no answer Z because only one option is having A as first letter. Next 15th letter is O. Which is second letter? It is B. Which is 14th letter? It is N. So the answer is AOEN. That is option D. Clear? Mark option D and go for next question. Let's solve question number 37. So question number 37 says B M R G D L D F F K B E H J X and D. Okay. So B is the second letter, D is fourth letter, F is sixth letter, H is eighth letter. 2, 4, 6, 8. Next should be 10th letter. Which is the 10th letter? 10th letter is nothing but J. 10th letter is nothing but J. Now we got to know that option C and option D cannot be the answer. It should be either A or B. Okay, next we will check. M is the 13th letter, L is 12th letter, K is 11th letter, J is 10th letter. So what is happening here? 13, 12, 11, 10. Next should be 9th letter. Which is the 9th letter? In English alphabet, 9th letter is I. So which option is having J and I? That is option A. Once you get one unique options, take the answer instead of solving everything. Why to waste time? We know that J and I is there only in option A. So answer option A is the answer. Okay, need not solve the remaining thing. J and I is there in only option A, and we know the solution. Answer is option A. Clear? Next question, question number 38. Question number 38 says M N O A B C P Q R D E F S T. Now we will find out two question marks here. So if you see the pattern fall, if you see the pattern, M N O is always together. A B C consecutive terms, P Q R consecutive terms, D E F consecutive terms. So I'll write this in different colors. So M N O A B C. Then I write P Q R. Then we have D E F. Then we have S and T. If you see the pattern, M N O P Q R S T, next should be U. Next should be U. So we found out one question mark. We found out one question mark. Okay. So this question mark is U. Now we need to find out which is the one more question mark. Correct. So that is here. A B C D E F. Next comes G. So this question mark, which is second question mark, is G. So the answer is U and G. Okay. U and G. That is option D. That's option D. What they have done is they have written alternative forms. M N O P Q R S T U A B C D E F G. So we need only two terms. One term is U. The other term is G. U G is the answer. That is option D. Clear? We'll go for next one. Okay. Question number 39. Question number 39 says A. Okay. I write A C F and dash. Other term I write it here. Z X and U. Okay. So A is the first letter, C C is the third letter, F is the sixth letter. So what has happened here? What has happened here is 1 plus 2 is 3. C. 2 plus 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 plus 4 it should be. That means 4 is what? It should be 10th letter. Which is the 10th letter? 10th letter is nothing but J. Okay. We have only one option, that is option C, which has J. Let's check for other alphabet. That is these alphabets. Okay. So Z is 26th letter, X is 24th letter, U is 21st letter. What is the next letter? So here what has happened is they are going in negative order. Here 26 minus 2 is 24. 24 minus 3 is 21. 21 minus 4. What is 21 minus 4? It is 17. Which is 17th letter? It is Q. So the answer is J and Q. J and Q. That is option C. Okay. First terms here, what they have done? Here it is this part plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And other side it is minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, that is the pattern followed. So answer here is J and Q. We will go for next one. Next question. Question number 40. So F, A and K, I, E, M, L, I, O, and what are the next three terms? Okay. So we need to find out what is the relation between these terms. We have to get what's the relation. If we get some relation, we can find out the answer very easily. Okay. So for your better understanding, I'm doing this. In your exam, don't waste time doing all these things. Okay. F is the sixth letter, I is the ninth letter, L is the 12th letter. So you can easily see the pattern 6, 9, 12. Next should be 15th letter. Which is the 15th letter? It is O. Okay. Next, A is the first letter, E is 5th letter, this is 9th letter. What is the difference here? Plus 4, plus 4. Next should be again plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. What is 13th letter? It is M. Okay. Next, K is 11th letter, M is 13th letter, O is 15th letter. What is happening here? It is plus 2, plus 2, it should be plus 2. That is 17th letter. Which is 17th letter? It is Q. So what is the answer? The answer is O, M and Q. That is option A. Okay. Here what was it? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Next it was plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Last it was plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So answer we got it as O and Q. That is option A. Mark option A and go for next question. Okay. Next one. Question number 41. So AZ, BY, CX, DW, EV, FU was the next term. Now, if you see very carefully, you have A, then you have Z, we leave as blank, then you have B, and then you have a blank. Okay, I'm not considering Z and Y now. C, leave a space, you have D, leave a space, E, leave a space, you have F, leave a space. Okay. And dash. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, space, H and space. Okay, so one pattern we got. What is the next pattern? I'll change the color for you. You have Z, Y, you have space here, comma, X, W, V, Now what is happening? Z, Y, X, W, V, U. It is going in reverse order. What is before U? It is T. What is before T? It is S. So what is the answer we require? The answer should be combined from these two. So what is the answer? It is G, T, H and S. Okay, that's the answer. G, T, H and S. I just split into two different patterns here by seeing the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, and other alphabet was in reverse order. So G, T, H, S is the answer. That is option C. I hope it is clear. Let's move on to next question. Okay, let's solve question number 42. 42 is a series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Okay, the series is something like this. So I'll write the first letters of everything: X, U, that is this X, I'm taking this X, U, R and O. This I'm writing in the same color: R and O, comma, dash this. Next, I take this F, G, I, O, F, G, I and O. Okay. Next one, I take B, D, G and K. B, D, G and K, comma, dash. Now, what is the relation between all these alphabet which I have written? Okay, so we'll start with B. We'll start with B. So B is the second letter of the alphabet. D is fourth letter. G is seventh letter. K is 11th letter. So what has happened here is 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Which is 16th letter? It is P. So last alphabet is P. Only one option is there, that is option C. Let's check with the other number also. Okay. F is 6th letter. This is 7th letter. This is 9th letter. This is 10th letter. Correct? So F, G, I and L. Sorry, this should be L. Confused. Sorry, it should be L. So L is 12th letter. Okay. Here 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 4, which is 12 plus 4 is 16th letter. Which is 16th letter? Again it is P. Which are the two terms that are ending with P? It is option C only. Only option C has P in it. So you can actually directly tick there or solve completely. So what about X? X is 24th letter. 21st letter. R is 18th letter. O is 15th letter. So what is happening here? It is minus 3. 24 minus 3 is 21. 21 minus 3 is 18. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 minus 3 is 12. Which is 12th letter? It is L. So what is the answer? Everything which is in box is the answer. That is L, P and P. That is option C, as I said. L, P, P is the answer. First pattern forward is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Next pattern forward is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Next pattern forward is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Okay, L, P, P is the answer. That is option C. We'll go for next one. Let's solve question number 43. So question number 43 says L, C, M, P, N, A, O and dash. Correct? So what is L? L is 12th letter. C is 3rd letter. M is 13th letter. B is 2nd letter. N is 14th 14th letter, A is first letter, O is 15th letter. If you see the pattern followed here, 12, 13, 14 and 15. If you see the other pattern followed, 3, 2, 1. Now we have to find out what is the circle. The circle will be 26. Why it is 26? Because we are going in reverse order. C, after C, before C it is B, before B it is A, before A it is 26, that is Z. Before Z it is X. So the cycle repeats again and again. Because we have only 26 alphabets in English. There are only 26 letters in the English alphabet. So it goes on repeating again and again. Once A, B, C, D up to Z is done, after that again it is A, B, C, D, again till Z, again repetition A. If you are going reverse, D, C, B, A, again Z, Y, X, so on. Okay, so we are going in reverse order, that is Z. Z is answer. Okay, reverse order. That is option D. That is option D. Save this and go for next question. Let's solve next question, the question number 44. 44 question says VWX, okay, VWX, B, C, D, H, I, J. What are the next terms? Okay. Now, V is which letter? 22nd letter. B is second letter. H is 8th letter. What about W? W is 23rd letter. This is 3rd letter. This is 9th letter. What about the last one? X is 24th letter. This is 4th letter. This is 10th letter. Okay. Now, what is the similarity between all these values? Okay. What is similarity? Now, from 22, after B, you have W, X, Y, Z, then again comes A, after A, B comes. After B it is C, D, E, F, G. After B, H comes. So what you can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 is added, then after that next letter is written. Plus 5 is added, after that next letter is written. H, I, J, K, L, M. Next letter should be N. Right? H, I, J, K, L, M. Plus 5. After that, next letter is written. So here it is 14th letter. If you go by here, it is plus 5 plus the next letter. Plus 5 next letter. Plus 5 next letter. Even here, W, X, Y, Z, A and B. 5 letters came, next letter is written. C, D, E, F, G, H. Plus 5, next letter is written. I, J, K, L, M, N. Plus 5, next letter is O. Which option is having N and O? Only option B. So mark option B. You did not solve it completely. Save the time. Next option, this one should be B. So that is only the option given in the question. Okay, NOP is the answer. This is the solution. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Next letter is written. Okay, NOP is the answer for this question. Let's go for next one. Next one, question number 45. Question number 45 says MN, PQ, TU, YZ. Okay. So, M. I'll write the first letters. M, P, T, Y, and dash. One more thing will be N, Q, U, and Z, and dash. Okay. N is 14th letter, Q is 17th letter, this is 21st letter, next one should be 20, next one is 26th letter. What about the other case? M is 13th letter, P is 16th letter, T is 20th letter, this is 25th letter. So what is happening here? From here to here, it is plus 3, from here to here, it is plus 4, from here to here, plus 5, next should be from here to here, plus 6. Okay, what about this? From here to here it is plus 3. Same pattern followed, plus 4 plus 5. Okay, now in simple term what does that mean? M, N, O. NO is skipped, next letter is written. Here P, Q, R, S. 3 letters are skipped, next letter is T, U, V, W, X. 4 letters are skipped, next letter is written. Here Y is done. Z, A, B, C, D. 5 letters are skipped, next letter is E. Correct? Next letter is E. What about here? Here N, O, P is skipped. The next letter Q is written. Q, R, S, T. This is skipped and next letter is written. Okay. U, V, W, X, Y. Then it is Z. So 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters. Next would be 5 letters. Which are the 5 letters? A, B, C, D, E. Next letter is F. So the right answer is E and F. E, F. These kind of questions are little important in Ssc Cgl. So that is, so don't forget this. This kind of question little important in Ssc Cgl. So your answer is option C, E, F. Okay. So plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6. Clear? Next one. Save it and go for next one. Okay. Question number 46. Question number 46 says Z, X, and there is a space, T, R, and there is a space, L, N, L, J, there is a space, F, and D is a space. Correct? Now D is 4th letter, 6th letter, 10th, 12th, 14th, 18th, this is 20th, 24th, this is 26. If you see, all are even numbers. Correct? So what is missing here? 4, 6, 8 is missing. You start from here. What is missing here? Here, what are the missing terms? Okay, all the in between even numbers are missing. Here the even numbers should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So we'll write the answers now. Which is second letter? It is B. Which is 8th letter? It is H. 16th letter? It is P. And 26th letter? It is U. Correct? 22nd letter is V. Sorry, V. 21st letter is U. 22nd letter is V. So answer is V, P, H, B. That is option A. That is option A. All the even numbers are here in this series. All the even number position of the alphabets in English. Okay. All the even numbers are positions. V, P, H, B is the answer. V is the 22nd letter. 16th is P. H is 8 and B is second letter. Yeah. Save it and go for next question. Let's solve question number 47. Question number 47 says these are continuous patterns. Continuous. Okay, I told you 3 types of series. One series is letter series, number series, and now it is continuous series. Now what is continuous series? Now there's an example given here. What happens is dash S T T dash T T dash T T S and dash. Substitute all the options in place of this space. If it is T, if it is option 1, it will become TST, T, this is a blank space. Next it is S, TT, next it is S, TT, and last it will be S and T. This is option 1. If we take option 2, it will be S, S, TT, next it will be S, TT, next it will be T, 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 S and T. take option 2. This dash is the options given. Third one. It will be T, S, T, 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 T. Okay. Next it is S, T, T, S. And last it is T, according to option 3. What is option 4? T, S, T, T, S, T, 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 and yes and yes. Now we have taken all the options. Now which is the correct option? Now what is continuous pattern? Now see here, you need to divide there should be something pattern followed which should be similar in all the patterns. For example, if I take this as TS, TT, TS. Now for example, if I take this TS, TT, TS, TT, TS, TT should follow. Or if I take this one, 3 patterns, TST is common, TST is common, TST is not there, so this cannot be the option. If I take it here, TST is there, TTT not possible, TTT, TST is here, TST is here, but this is wrong because second pattern is TT and T. Last one, if I take SST, TST, TTT, not at all possible. What about this? TST, one pattern, TST, one more pattern, TST, one more pattern, and last pattern is TST. So the answer here is option 1. Why it is option 1? When you fill in with T, S, S and T according to option 1, you get this pattern. The pattern is, see here, this is one pattern, TST. So this is one more pattern, TST. Correct. This is one more pattern of TST. Correct. And the last pattern, this is TST. So we got TST together. So TST, 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 TST. There's a group of alphabet which follows the same pattern. TST, 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 TST. So from which did we get that? We got it from option 1. So answer is option 1, that is TSST. Should be filled in place of blank spaces. And there should be some pattern called. How to check the pattern? There is A, B, C, D, E, F, for example. You can check the pattern as 2, 2 together, or you can check the pattern like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, 3, 3 together, or you can check A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 4, 4 together. Anything is possible, but it should have a same pattern followed every time. Understanding? So we'll solve next question and it will be more clear. Let's solve question number 48. Question number 48, we have C, C, dash, C, C, B, C, dash, A, C, C, B, C, C, dash, C, dash, and B. Let's check with option 1. Option 1 says A should come here. This is according to option 1. Then second term is C, third term is A, and last term is C. Let's check whether we can follow any pattern. Okay. CC hyphen, we can put this as together, CC together, CC together. Yes, we can follow a pattern here. CC, then we have A, put this together, CC, A, CC, B, CC, A, CC, B. Okay. Instead of this, simple method I'll tell you. See, you have CC, ACC, correct? CC, ACC, B. This is one pattern. CC, ACC, B. This is one more pattern. CC, ACC, B. That is one more pattern. All the patterns follow the same rule. CC, ACC, B, CCA, CCB, CCA, CCB. So we got a pattern which is followed in everything and which we got it from option 1. Check for everything. If you don't get majority of them, you might get in first or second option most of the times. So, but there should be a pattern followed. See, for example, in this, what is the pattern followed? CC, CCA, CCB, CCA, CCB, and even here CCA, CCB. So that is option A. We got it from option A. Save the answer, mark option A, and go for next question. Yeah. I solve question number 49. Question number 49 says Z, Y, X, dash, W, dash, Y, Z, Z, dash, X, W, W, X, Y. Okay. So, if you see the pattern very carefully here, X, Y, Z, Y, X, next should be W, correct? According to alphabet, W, X, Y, Z, but it is in reverse. So, we'll check with option 1. Okay. If it was option 1, if W comes here, next term will be X, next term will be Y, and the last term will be Z. So, W, X, Y, Z, yes, we got the pattern. What is the pattern? See. Okay. This is using option 1, W, X. See the pattern what is followed. Z, Y, X, W, reverse order. W, X, Y, Z, proper order. X, Y, Z, W, reverse order. And W, X, Y, Z, proper order. So this is the pattern followed. See here. X, Z, Y, X, W, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Y, X, W, W, X, Y, Z. This is the pattern followed from option 1. Okay. So answer is option 1. So we got the pattern. Mark option A and go for next question. Next solve question number 50. So we have dash AA, dash BA, dash BB, dash AB, dash AAB. Correct? So first let's put option 1. Okay, let's put option 1 there. If you put option 1, what happens? So B will come here, A, B, A and B. So let's check with if any possibility is there of getting. So if you check with the first two letters AB, AA, BA, AA, BA, BB, BA, AB, not possible. That pattern was not possible. Let's check with 3 combination together. BB, BAA, ABA, BBB, AAB, not possible. There is no pattern, similar pattern followed. So even that is not possible. We'll check with 4. BAAA, BABB, BAAB, BAAB. This is same, but these two are not same. So option 1 is not possible. Correct? Option 1 is wrong. Not possible. Let's check with second option. So second option, only method to solve this is by going with option. There is no other method because every option needs to be checked. So only then we can proceed. For the second option, this is using option 2. Using option 2s, you have A, and B and B. So let's check whether anything is possible. If I take 2 terms, AA is there, BA is there, AB is there, BB, there is nothing followed, so not possible. 2 terms. Let's check with 3. AAA, ABA, ABB, BAB, not followed again, not possible. Let's check with 4. AAA, BAB, BBAB, BAB. See, this thing and this thing is same, but these two are not same, so not possible. So even option B is not possible. Okay, so option B is done, option A is done. Let's check with option 3 now. So according to option B, option 3, so what is it? So this is according to option 3, B, A, and B. Okay, this is according to option 3. Let's check whether any pattern is followed. We'll take two terms, BA, AB, BA, AB, BA, AB, BA and AB. Yes, there is a pattern followed. What is the pattern followed? These first two terms are together. Then you have AB together. Then you have BA together. Then you have AB again together. Then you have BA together. Then you have AB together. Again BA, last AB. See the pattern followed? BA, BA, even BA here, BA. Even here AB, AB, AB and AB at the last. So pattern is followed. Same pattern is followed. Similar kind of pattern is followed. In which it is followed? It is followed in option C. So answer is option C. Go for next question. Clear? Let's solve next one. Question number 51. A N dash N N dash A N A dash N A dash N A N dash and A. Okay. So we'll go with option 1. Option 1 is here. Option 1 is A here, N, 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 N. Let's see whether something is possible. AN, AN, NN, AN, AN, NA, AN, AN, NA. So there is a pattern AN, 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 NA, AN, AN, NA. But here it is not happening. Correct? See, the pattern is AN, AN. Next should be NA, which is not there here. Again see AN, AN, NA, AN, AN, NA. So it is not there. So not option 1. Okay, not option 1. We will go for option 2. Let's check with option 2. So same question I write AN dash NN dash ANA dash NA dash NAN dash A. Correct? Now let's see by writing this option 2's. Now option 2 is here. A N N N. Correct? So let's check AN AN NA AN AN NA AN AN NA. See, the pattern is followed. See, what is the pattern followed here? It is AN AN NA AN AN NA AN AN and NA. I think there is one more pattern followed. That is, see, what is the pattern followed? Here the letter is N. Right? What's the pattern followed? Pattern followed is ANA hyphen NNA hyphen slash ANA dash NNA dash ANA dash. See, the same pattern is followed. See here, if you want, I will just color it in different colors. ANA. This is one pattern, correct? This is one pattern. ANA, ANA. One more pattern is NNA, NNA, and NNA. Same pattern, similar kind of pattern is followed everywhere. So the correct option here is option B. Same pattern is followed. Here this was missing one part. Here everything is properly followed. So option B is the answer. So save and go for next question. Okay. Let's solve question number 52. Question number 52 says A dash B B A dash B B A dash B and B. Okay. So now let's check with option 1. Put A here, and B here according to option A. So let's check whether any pattern is followed. AA, BB, AA, BB, AB and BB. This part it missed. Correct? This part it missed. AA was correct, BB was correct, AA was correct, BB was correct. This should have been A and A. This is not possible. AB is correct. So option 1 is not. It's not possible. Let's go with option 2. So A dash BB A dash BB A dash B and B. Let's check whether option 2 is possible. That is A, B, B. A, B and B. Let's check whether it is possible now. You have AA, you have BB, you have AB, you have BB, AB and BB. Again see here, if you see the pattern, AA, BB, this should have been AA, BB, AA and BB. But this is not happening. This part is not happening. So even option 2 is not possible. Let's check option 3 now. Option 3 is here. A dash BBA dash BBA dash BNB. Okay, let's check it now. We'll insert option B, option 3, B, B and B. Let's check whether there is any pattern followed. AB, BB, AB, BB, AB and BB. The pattern is followed. What is the pattern followed here? AB, AB, AB consecutively, and on the other side you have BB, BB and BB. That we got it from option 3. The right answer is option 3. That is B, B and B. Mark option 3 and go for next question. So next one, question number 53. Question number 53 is here. So question number 53 says A, B, dash, B, A, B, C, dash, A, B, dash, B, B, C, B, dash and B. Okay, so let's put option 1 here. Let's check. So C will be here, B will be here, C, A and A. Let's check if any pattern follows. AB, CB, AB, CB, AB, CB, AB, CB and AB. Yes, there is a pattern followed. What is the pattern followed? AB here, AB, AB, AB and AB. On the other side, CB, CB, CB and CB. So there is a same kind of pattern followed alternatively. Even though it is alternative, the pattern followed is similar. There is no mismatch at all. Correct? So AB, CB, AB, CB, AB, CB, AB, CB and AB. That pattern is followed from option A. So the right answer is option A. Okay? Mark the answer and go for next question. Let's solve question number 54. 54 says, in the following question, which one set of the letters when sequentially placed at the gaps in a given letter of series shall complete it? So the series is E, F, G, dash, dash, E, F, F, dash, G, H, H, E, then you have E, dash, E, double, F, dash, G, 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 H, dash and H. So if you see the pattern very closely, you have 3 G's here. You have 2 H. If you put 1 H, it will become 3 H here. Even here, you have 2 F. If you put one more F, you need 3 F's here. You have 2 E's. If you put one more E, it will become 3 E. That means if I put E here, if I put F here and H here, we got 3 E, 3 F, 3 G and 3 H. What about here? We have, sorry, I have written an extra H here. Okay. See here, we have 2 H. Okay, we have 2 F. We have 1 E here. If you get 1 E from here and 2 G here, that means if I put E here and if I put G here, I have 2 E, 2 F, 2 G, 2 H, 3 E, 3 F, 3 G, 3 H. What about here? E, F, G, I can just put H. So is there a pattern followed? Yes, of course it's followed. That is this one, E, F, G, H. Then you have E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H. Then you have E, 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 F, 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 G, 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 H, H, H. So what is the answer? The answer should be H, E, G, E, F and H. Is there any option? Yes, if there is an option, that is option C. Okay, the pattern followed is E, F, G, H, 1 E, 1 F, 1 G, 1 H. Here 2 E, 2 F, 2 G, 2 H. And last 3 E, 3 F, 3 G, 3 H. Okay, that is option C. Mark option C and go for next question. Okay. Let's solve question number 55. The question says the number of letters kept in between adjacent letters in a series is 5. Which of the following series observes this rule? Okay. So let's go with option 1. C, I, O, U and A. They are telling that in between these letters, one of these options, there are 5 adjacent letters missing. So adjacent letters should be there. So let's see whether it is followed. After C it is D, E, F, G, H. So we got 5 consecutive, that is adjacent letters missing. After that they got I, J, K, L, M and N. Yes, 5 again. So 5 done. O, P, Q, R, S, T. 5 again. After T it is U, V, W, X, Y, Z. After Z it is A again. Yes. So the number of letters kept in between adjacent letters in the series is 5. Which of the following series follows this rule? That is option A. Because we have 5 letters missing here, 5 letters missing here, 5 here and 5 here. Correct? So that is option A. So I hope you understood. Next, move on to next question. Mark your answer. Go for next one. Next one, question number 56. Question number 56 says, a series is given with one wrong word missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given words that will complete the series. Okay. Now, what is the series here is, it is hello. Next word is lower. Next word is error. Next word is organ. Next word is tense. Now, these are very different kind of series. What is this? How are they related is, they take the last 2 letters. The last letter here is LO. Correct? And the next word, it starts from LO. See here, lower. Here, last 2 letter is ER and the next 2 letters starts from ER. Error. Here, last 2 letter is OR. Next word starts from OR, that is organ. Now, the question is tense. What are the last 2 letters? S and E. So there should be a word which should start from SC and that should be in the option. Is there in the option? Yes, it is there. That is option B, that is Senai. So right answer is Senai because of the last 2 letters of every word. Okay. So that is option B. Mark option C, mark option B and go for next question. This question is repeated, I guess. I think there is one more question which is asked in this paper. Okay, save and go for next question. Okay, let's move on to question number 57. What does question number 57 say? Okay, what's the next term? So what's the next term? So we have, first we calculate take the letters first, A, D, H and M. So A is the first letter, D is 4th letter, this is 8th letter, this is 13th letter. So what has happened here is 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, so next should be plus 6 which is 6, 19, 13 plus 6 is 19, 19th is yes. So we got the letter is yes. Now we need to find out the number. These are alphanumeric series where there are alphabets, there are numbers, alphanumeric series. Next, 4, 9, 15, 22. So what is the difference? Here it is plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, next should be plus 8. 22 plus 8 is 30. So the answer should be yes divided by 30. And option is there? Yes, it is there. That is in option B. You need not actually solve everything because only option with yes is option B. That is the right answer. Clear? Answer properly. These are very simple ones. Don't miss out in this. Take very less time. Okay? Clear? We'll go for next one. Okay, next one. Question number 58. So, question number 58 says, what is once in pen, okay, twice in paper and thrice in pepper? So, it is very simple. This is actually a puzzle. If you see, what is once in pen? The letter P is once in pen. Here twice in paper, again letter P is twice. Here twice, and thrice in paper is again letter P. So P is thrice here. So the answer is option B. Which letter is? P is once here, twice here, and thrice here. Very simple question. It's actually a puzzle. It's a nice question. Okay. The answer is P. Letter P is once in pen, twice in paper, thrice in paper. Okay. Solve this and go for next question. Next question. Next question says, a series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Okay. That will complete the series. So, A, K, 12. How did they get A, K, 12? So, A is the first letter, K is the 11th letter. So, when you add 1 plus 11, you get 12. That's why it is A, K, 12. Similarly, for G, V, 29. So, G is 7th letter, V is 22nd letter. So, 7 plus 22 is 29. Correct? So, next is for L. L, F, 18. L is 12th letter, F is 8th letter. 12 plus, sorry, F is 6th letter. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay. Last one, the question PO. So PO, P is 16th letter, O is 15th letter. Correct? When you add 16 plus 15, you will get 31. That is option B. So mark option B and go for next question. Save it and go for next question. Okay, last question from series. The question is, a series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative form from the given ones that will complete the series. Okay, now these are very interesting series. Why it is very interesting is, you have this word called as employee. Okay, then you have word this word called as oyster. Then you have error. Then you have organ. And then you have sis. So why it is very interesting is, if you see the last two letters OY, the next word is starting from OY. Correct? That is oyster. Here last letter is ER. Next word is starting from ER. Here OR. Correct? Last two letters. And the next word is starting from OR. Okay. So question is this now. So last two letters is IS. So answer should start from I and S. Is there any option which is starting from I and S? Yes, there is an option, that is option D. What is the word? ISOMER. This is the last two letters of the previous word. Correct? Last letters. See, employee, OY was there, it started from OY. ER, it was there, it started from ER. Okay, OR was there, it started from OR. Now the question is census. The last letter is IS and it should start from IS, and it is ISOMER. Okay, so that's it from series. Submit the test. Click on option D. Save and go for submit. Okay, 60 answer out of 60. So we have answered all the questions. Thank you.